you had another post, yung ano, no to state witness, Discayas are the most guilty. Sino ba para sa'yo ang qualified dito maging state witness? Kasi parang lahat nag-a-apply.
Well, as to the Discayas, no, I can only speak for the Discayas kasi itong mga DPWH na engineer, medyo bago ito. The reason why I can say confidently na hindi state witness level or they don't deserve that is because meron na tayong precedents sa Napoles case. Napoles is actually also a contractor. Similar yan, kaso hindi lang construction industry si Madam. Contractor siya because kino-contract out kay Napoles noon yung pag-implement ng pork barrel or PDAF ng mga senators or congressmen like maghahanap ng NGO na magiging beneficiary. Pero ang ginawa ni Napoles, ghost beneficiaries, ghost names, peke lahat, no? Yun yung binulgar ni Ben-Hur Luis. So she was also a contractor. In this case, ganun din, contractor din ang mga Discaya companies. And finifake nila yung completion ng project, ghost project, kung hindi man ghost substandard, pero may mga ghost. Madami nang napatunayan na Discaya projects na ghost. So, same status sila in the sense na they are one of the most guilty. By the way, when we say most guilty, kasi baka akala ng tao singular. Kasi ang most generally, we relate it to singular. But under the law, there can be more than one person na most guilty. Kasi like ito, mag-asawa, Sara Discaya, Pacifico Discaya, more than one ka na kagad. So sino pa yung ibang most guilty? Siyempre, yung mga senators or congressmen na nag-collude or ginamit ang mga Discayas, quote-unquote, para magkaroon ng kickback. When I say ginamit, hindi din naman ginamit talaga ang mga Discayas. Because nagpagamit sila willingly. Sila yung may scheme. Sila yung may modus or system to implement the kickback system. So, they cannot be state witnesses if we follow Napoles. Napoles was not state witness, therefore, the Discayas should not be state witnesses.
So, the engineers, pwede sila sa tingin po ninyo?
At the very least, the assistant district engineer kasi may mas mataas na boss. So by logic, hindi siya most guilty. The district engineer, baka kasi nga, it might be Yusek Roberto Bernardo who's the most guilty kung siya yung mastermind or mga bata niya kasi quote-unquote daw yung mga BGC boys. It depends.